Yeah, I had problem with remote control of this air conditioner for a week or so. The remote, I try to show, it looks like I do. It works up to about 2 meters from the aircon, but not all the way from the bed, which is a bit annoying when you want to change the temperature a bit in the night. I had to work around. I was sleeping the other way in the bed, so I come closer to the aircon. So, and the aircon works nicely in another room. So it is, or the remote works nicely in another room. So I think the problem is the sensor in this one. Maybe it's dirty. Yeah, I have. This looks like some serviceman arrived at the hotel. What kind of service? Yeah, he even had a tank of gas on the scooter. So it's aircon service. I asked him to come and check my remote later. He's completely replacing two aircons. They just managed to remove the second one there. Yeah, we got the aircon serviceman here now. I tried to service the remote doesn't work. I think it's the problem is on this unit, because the remote works well in the other room. Look here, we're getting. I tried to just open the right hand lower section, because that's where the sensor is, I think. This guy knows how to do it, yeah. I make a break here. Yeah, it was the sensor, little dirty, hanging down there on the right, which I suspected, but I couldn't reach it. I thought I could open the bottom lower, as I said, but you had to take off the whole thing here. Yeah, so now it's working. We just tested it, and I stopped the AC to look at the fan. It's a long, we call it centrifugal fan here. Can sometimes be very dirty, but this one was clean. Very dark here. Okay, thank you very much. Aircon fixed, took 10 minutes, I think, spola minute there.
Okay.
Yeah. And they were here to install 2 new aircons, so there was no extra travel time. Thank you, bye.
Bye.